When the weather is hot, coconut water can be an attractive option compared to other drinks. Apart from being refreshing and containing essential minerals for the body, coconut water also has many other benefits, from warding off free radicals to reducing heart disease risk. Coconut water is also very suitable for consumption when you are doing heavy activities and sweating a lot or losing a lot of fluids due to diarrhea. Coconut water can be an alternative to plain water to rehydrate the body. Even though it looks simple, the benefits of coconut water should be taken into account.